Hi, I'm Oscar van Deventer and this puzzle is called Soma op Recept. It's a design by Volker Latesek, as you may have guessed, and let me show you how it works. The puzzle is currently not in its solved state. You see these round knobs, and when you try to put the lid on, it doesn't fit because I made the holes just a bit off center to annoy you and make the lid not fit. So we need to get the pieces out. And this is starting interesting because some of those knobs are actually linking in the side. So we see the gray one here, and yeah, that's about it. Okay, let's get pieces out. Okay, some of them come out as a block. You see, I can't take them out individually because they are all locked together. So here we have this block. And let's see, okay, here things are, well, anyway, here we are. And the puzzle has some interesting misdirection. So Volker told me to make these with round pins. So when looking for my solution, I really thought, okay, round means rotation. So you have pins that rotate like this. And you do rotations like that, and maybe the solution would require that you have some piece in here and that during the motion it somehow rotates down. So yeah, it felt like a nice concept, like you see here, it rotates and it goes back down, something like that. But anyway, that was misdirection. It didn't work that way, and the solution is, well, I'm showing it to you here. The solution has quite some interesting features, and let me see whether I can replicate from the one that we are seeing here. We have this piece here, we have a gray piece here, we have a purple piece. Let's see how it goes. Oh, and the purple piece goes into the gray piece. So I need to get them in here. Well, you see, things are going in sort of an illogical way, where you first need to put other pieces in, then put this one in, then move it up. But I should have first put already this piece in, then that one, then this one, then move the purple up, then the orange slides under the other two pieces. There we are. And now there is a funny move. We need to get this blue piece in, so the blue piece slides in and it slides under, and it has a slight click. That's something I didn't expect, but Volker told me that was exactly his intention. So the flexible plastic has a little bit of flexibility, there's a little bit of tolerance, so it clicks in place. And of course, once we have clicked that in place, then from there on things should go easy. And let me see, yeah, and here we have the final block that goes in like this. And now we can put on the lid, and the lid also stays on. It's a friction lid, and we have solved the puzzle. Or actually, I've cheated a lot by looking at the solved puzzle. The question that I have to you is about the lid. I made the lid to highlight the goal of the puzzle, because in its presentation state the lid doesn't fit on. So I think the lid is functional. However, Volker really didn't like the lid. He wanted to have a shorter cube without lid, where it's just the instruction, make sure that the top is flat. So the question is, do you like the lid, or would you prefer a version without lid? Thank you for watching.